Hey beauty, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ash. If you're new here, I hope you decide to hit that subscribe button down below for more videos. If you're not new here, then thank you so much for coming back. So it is springtime and I would really like to do like a daisy makeup look. I seen a picture which was like purple and it had little like daisies, so I wanted to try it and see, you know, how I like it. So I don't know what we're gonna come up with today, but if you do want to see what I come up with, then go ahead and keep watching. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment down below on, you know, if you guys want to see a specific type of makeup tutorial or anything. I have a couple different videos that are going to be coming out, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, so let's get doing some makeup. Alright, so jumping straight into my eyes, I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm going to just spread that on my eyelids. I like to use kind of a little mini fluffy brush to just spread the product, and then I will go over it with tapping motion so that way I get the maximum coverage. And I'm going to just spread it all over my eyelid. Now I'm going to set that with my Airspun translucent powder. I feel like your shadows blend so much better when you have just a little base. This is the Throw Shade Contour Palette from Makeup Obsessions. I'm going to put this in my crease just to kind of give myself a little depth. You're not going to see it, but this is the Dare to Be Bright eyeshadow base. This is the color purple, and this is by Beauty Creations. So I'm going to just cut my crease with this. And I'm gonna do the same thing, spread the product before I start tapping it to just get that coverage. And then this is the Kylie Jenner palette. I'm gonna take that lavender shade and just tap this directly on top of that purple base. And I just love how it pops, dude. And next up is this Color for Days palette by Beats by Cosmetics. And I'm gonna take this purple shade called The Throne right here in the middle, and I'm going to keep this on the outside, and then I'm going to blend it up into my crease, but it's mainly going to just be on the outer corners of my eyes. Next, this is like a icy lavender shade, and I like how it gives me kind of like a little baby blue pop, but it's like icy. Next, I'm taking this Maybelline makeup palette. I'm going to use the yellow and the white paint to create these daisies. And that's a dotting tool. So you saw I did the yellow first, and now I'm doing the white dots around it. And then I messed up on one, so of course I'm going to go back and go over it. And then I'm going to make it more yellow in the center. Done. So cute. Alright, so now I'm going to match that with white liner. I didn't want too much yellow, so that's why I chose to do like the white. You guys are so up close and personal. Alright, and then I'm going to just do a baby wing. I don't like crazy winged liner. And I'm going to bring it all the way to my inner corners. And then just these little dot accents. I felt like the look needed just that little extra, and I love it. It's so cute. Now time for mascara. I always use the Voluminous mascara by Loreal. And time for the face. I Heart Revolution. This is the priming spray. And then MAC Prep and Prime Cream. This makes your makeup just stay so well. Just get it all over my face, my forehead. And then now the SHEGLAM cream contour palette. I'm going to use this like orangey shade so I can counteract the darkness on my face and then cover up the little scratch that Kier gave me. And then this is the Covergirl Outlast and the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation. I'm going to just mix those and then get it all over my face. For concealer, I'm back in that SHEGLAM, and I'm going to mix those two shades so that way it's like a really nice light brown. I love it. And then of course you want to clean up the outer corners of your eyes to lift your face, and then over your lip. A little bit on my chin. I don't ever do my forehead. And then I'm going to blend that out with the Beauty Blender. This cream contour is so nice. It really blends really well. And I like the Beauty Blender on the eye because you could just really get all up in there. Now for contour in that same palette, I'm going to just do it at the top of my cheekbones, underneath my lip, and along my jawline, so that way I can lift my face and kind of chisel it out. And then of course blend it. I'm using the same foundation brush so that way it melts it together and looks more natural. So now I'm going to set my under eyes with this banana powder by Makeup Revolution. I think this is so satisfying to just watch your face go matte. Like, it's so nice. But I'm going to do directly under my eye, and then back with translucent powder. And I'm going to put that all over my face so that way it doesn't switch up my foundation color. Then I'm going to take this throw shade and that middle brown. I'm going to contour my cheekbones, bring it up to my forehead. And this is an angled brush. I think it just hugs your face better. And now this is the Maxi Blush by Rimmel London. I think this is Rendezvous. And I like to tap before I swipe. And then this freaking highlighter is so bomb. It's from the same palette, obviously, you saw. I like it. And then I'm going to do the inner corners. It's the same highlight I used on my face. I like to match highlights. Now this is the Freckle Tint by SHEGLAM. It looks more natural. It's not so harsh with like black liner. And then I like to tap with my finger so that way it doesn't like run down your face if you use too much. Now I'm taking this Fix Plus in the scent Lavender by MAC, and I'm going to just set all that and then go back in with that same outer corner purple and just bring it all along my lower lash line. I love how it wraps the look together. And then of course, if you have any fallout, just use a big fluffy brush and just swipe it. And then white eyeliner on the bottom to match the top. And this is the Ofra Sanibel liquid lipstick. I'm gonna line my lips with brown and then of course fill it in. I normally don't use a brush, but I really like how it came out when I did blend it with the brush, so I might just use that. And then the LA Girl lip topper and just clear, and these Piper lashes. Ooh, so freaking cute. Let me know what you think in the comments. I love you guys. Catch you in my next video.